students, hi everyone. Once again, welcome to my channel Competitive Maths by Balaji. Yes, today we are going to look part 7 of profit and loss is about finding profit percentage or loss percentage, which is continuous class to part 6. Okay. Question number 45. In part 6 of profit and loss, we ended with the question number 44. So let's start our class with 45 question number. The prices of two articles A and B are in the ratio 5:8. If the price of the first article is increased by X% and that of other is decreased by 30%, then the new prices of A and B will be in the ratio 17:14. Then the value of X is. రెండు వస్తువులు A, B ల కొన్న విలువల మధ్య నిష్పత్తి 5:8. ఏ వస్తువు విల X% పెరిగి మరియు B వస్తువు విల 30% తగ్గినచో A మరియు B ల కొన్న విలువల మధ్య నిష్పత్తి 17:14 గా మారును. అయినా X విలువ ఎంత? Let us see solution. We have two articles A and B. Their prices CP are in the ratio 5:8. And if the price of first article is increased by X, so if price of article A increased by X% and the price of B is decreased by 30%, 30% of 8, okay, 30% means 0.3. 0.3 times of 8 is equal to 2.4 less. When it decreases 2.4 less, 8 becomes 5.6. New price of article B becomes 5.6. Then the new price of A and B will be in the ratio 17:14. New prices of articles A and B are in the ratio 17:14. 5.6 is 0.4 times of 14. So new price of article A is also 0.4 times of 17. 17.4 are 6.8. Yes, but we have to find then the value of X. So how much percentage the price of article A is increased? That is, initial price of article A is 5 and after increased it becomes 6.8. There is a change 1.8 units over 5 and we know that 1 by 5 is 20%. 1 by 5 fraction value is 20% into 1.8. Decimal point 0 gets cancelled. 8 into 2s are 36%. So X value is what? 36%. So article price of the article A increases by 36%. So answer is D. Next question. Question number 46. A good quality question, also most important question. Students, listen carefully. The cost price of a shirt is increased by 20%. A trader who revised the selling price of the shirt to maintain the same profit percentage noted that he got rupees 10 more in profit on selling one shirt after he revised the selling price. What is the new profit in rupees? ఒక చొక్కా కొన్న వేళ 20% పెరిగింది. అందువల్ల లాభ శాతం స్థిరంగా ఉంచడానికి ఆ చొక్కా అమ్మిన వేలను అమ్మకందారుడు సవరించాడు. తద్వారా అతను అమ్మకం వేలపై రూపాయలు 10 అధికంగా పొందాడు. అయినా అతని కొత్త లాభం రూపాయలలో ఎంత? సొల్యూషన్. Let us consider CP, SP. These are initial cost price and initial selling price. Then what is profit? Yes, profit is given by SP minus CP. In this case, what is profit percentage? Profit percentage is SP minus CP by CP into 100%. So this is initial CP, initial SP, initial profit percentage. Now, a trader who revised the selling price of the shirt to maintain the same profit percentage. Yes, but SP is revised here and CP also. Given that cost price of a shirt is increased by 20%. 20% increased is new CP becomes 1.2 times of initial CP. Since let us see the concept.
CP is suppose X rupees and there is an increase 20%, that is 20% of X is 0.2x. Now new CP becomes X plus 0.2x, which is equal to 1.2x. So here 1.2 is called scaling factor. So new CP becomes 1.2 CP. In this case, consider the new profit. First consider the new profit. New profit must be, we don't know the new SP actually, let us suppose it is SP minus CP is 1.2 CP over 1.2 CP into 100%. But in the question, to maintain same profit percentage, we have to maintain same profit percentage. That means SP also increases by 20%, so that new SP become 1.2 times of initial SP, which is equal, take away the common term 1.2, SP minus CP over CP into 100%. Here also 1.2. So 1.2, 1.2 gets cancelled. We get same profit percentage that as initial. Okay, that means, so SP is also increased by 20%, so that we can maintain same profit percentage in initial and new. Okay, so that is new SP also becomes 1.2 times of SP. See, the cost price is increased by 20% and selling price is also increased by 20%. Therefore, from this, profit is also increased by 20%. Profit is percentage is also increased by 20%. What is the 20% fraction value? 1 by 5. That is, initial profit to new profit ratio is, if initial profit is 5 units, then new profit is 1 more than the initial profit, that is 6. Yes, that is, there is a 1 unit profit change. The change in profit is 1 unit, but this 1 unit is equal to, according to the question, he noted that he got 10 more rupees profit on selling price. That is, 1 unit value is 10 rupees, but we have to find what is the new profit in rupees. New profit is 6 units. 1 unit value is 10 rupees, then 6 units value is 60 rupees. So answer is C. Okay. Next question. Question number 47. A person sells an article at a profit of 12%. If he had purchased it for 12% less and sold it for rupees 9 less, he would have gained 27%. What is the original CP of the article? ఒక వ్యక్తి ఒక వస్తువును 12% లాభానికి అమ్ముతాడు. ఆ వస్తువును ఆ వ్యక్తి 12% తక్కువకు కొని రూపాయలు 9 తక్కువకు అమ్మి ఉంటే అతనికి 27% లాభం ఉండేది. అయినా ఆ వస్తువు అసలు కొన్న వెల ఎంత? సొల్యూషన్. Here we have CP and SP of article. Suppose CP be 100 rupees or 100 units. There is a profit of 12%, so SP becomes 112 rupees. Okay. If he had purchased it for 12% less, that is, CP is decreased by 12%. That means that is 88 rupees. 12% less amount in 100 is equal to 88 rupees. Yes. Then, and he sold it for rupees 9 less. And if he sold the article for rupees 9 less, he would have gained 27%. Then gain is given by 27%. 27% means 0.27. Loss or gain always calculated on CP. So gain is equal to 88 into 0.27. Yes. Consider multiplication of 88 and 27 by crisscross multiplication, which is Vedic maths. 7 8s are 56. Now cross multiplication. 7 8s are 56 is completed. 7 8s are 56 plus 2 8s are 16. 56 plus 16 72 and 2 8s are 16. Now balance the digits. Drop 6, carry forward 5, 5 plus 2 7, carry forward that 7, 16 plus 7 that is 23. But here we have two decimal places, answer will get two decimal places, that is 23.76 units or rupees are the gain. So new SP becomes 88 plus 23.76 which is equal to 111.76 rupees is the new SP. Now see the difference between SP 112 and 111.76, that is 0.24. 0.24 units value is, that is 9 rupees less. So 1 unit value is equal to 9 by 0.24, which can be written as 9 into 100 by 24. Just know the decimal point, put two zeros. One annexed with two zeros in the numerator. Again 3 ones are 3 eights are 3 by 8 into 100. But we have to find initial cost price, that is 100 rupees. 100 units value is equal to 100 into 3 by 8 into 100. But we know that the percentage value of 3 by 8 is 37.5%. And we have 100 into 100. Yes, percentage 100 gets cancelled. 100 into 37.5, that is 3750 rupees is the initial cost price. So answer is D. Okay, next question. Question number 48. A merchant makes a profit of 20% by selling an article. What would be the percentage change in the profit percentage? Yes, what would be the percentage change in the profit percentage had he paid 10% less for it and the customer paid 10% more for it? Wow, good quality question. Okay, very important, most important question. ఒక వ్యాపారి ఒక వస్తువును అమ్మడం వలన 20% లాభం చేసుకున్నాను. అతను దానిని 10% తక్కువ ధరకు కొని 10% ఎక్కువ ధరకు అమ్మితే లాభ శాతంలో ఎంత శాతం భేదం ఉంటుంది? ఎస్, సొల్యూషన్ CP SP. Let us suppose, let CP be 100 units or 100 rupees. Then there is a profit, initial profit is 20%. Yes, so SP becomes 120. And had he paid 10% less, 10%, CP is decreased by 10%, then new CP becomes 90 units. And the customer paid 10% more, that is SP increases by 10%. 10% of 120 is 12. So new SP becomes 120 plus 12, 132. Then what is new profit? New profit percentage. New profit is 42 units over 90 units into 100%. Okay. 0, 0 cut, 3 3s are 3 14s are 14 10s are. New profit percentage is 140 by 3%. And consider old profit or initial profit is 20%. Consider their ratio actually. Consider their ratio. That equals percentage gets cancelled. 1 0 0 cut, 2 1s are 2 7s are 3 1s are 3 is to 7. This is initial profit is 3 units and new profit is 7 units. The change in the profit percentage is 4 units over 3 units. That is 4 times of 1 by 3 means 33.33%. So 4 times of 33.33% is 133.33%. Yes, therefore the percentage change in the profit is 133.33%. Next question, new pattern question 49. A person sold an article at a 15 whole 5 by 13% loss. If he would have bought it rupees 760 less and sold it for rupees 730 more, then loss would be 10%. Then find the initial cost price of an article. ఒక వ్యక్తి ఒక వస్తువును 15.5/11% నష్టానికి అమ్మాను. దానిని అతను రూపాయలు 760 తక్కువకు కొని రూపాయలు 730 ఎక్కువకు అమ్మి ఉంటే నష్టం 10% ఉండేది. అయినా ఆ వస్తువు అసలు ధర ఎంత, దట్ ఈస్ అసలు కొన్న వేల ఎంతో కనుక్కోవాలి. రైట్, సిపి ఎస్పి. Given that loss is 15 whole 5 by 13%, the fraction value of 15 whole 5 by 13 is 2 by 13, which is loss, so minus 2 by 13. That means if cost price is 13 units and there is a loss 2 units, in this case selling price is 11 units. CP minus loss is selling price. So when CP is 13 units, there is a loss of 2 units, so SP becomes 11 units. Yes. And if he would have bought rupees 760 less, if cost price is 760 less and selling price is 730 more, then the loss would be 10%. That is, what is the 10% fraction value? That is 1 by 10. Negative symbol denotes there is a loss. That means CP is 10 units, there is a loss 1 unit. In this case, SP is 9 units. In this case, SP is 9 units. So CP is SP becomes 10 to 9. Difference between CPs and SPs. 13 9s are 117, 11 10s are 110. There is a difference of 7 units is equal to 10 into 730, 7300 minus 9 into minus 760. That is, it becomes plus 9 into 760. That is 7 units value is 7300 plus 90096 are 54, 5 carry, 9 7s are 63 plus 5 68. Yes, 7 units value is 0 plus 0 0, 4 plus 0 4, 8 plus 3 11, 1 carry, 7 plus 7 is 14. Then 1 unit value 7 2s are 7 2s are 7 0s are. 1 unit value is 20 20. Then we have to find the cost price of the article. That is, initial cost price is 13 units. 13 units value is 13 into 20 20. 13 zeros are 0, 32 are 26. Again 32s are 26. So 26,260 is the cost price of initial cost price of the article. Next question, 50th one. A shopkeeper sold an article at 32.5% profit. If both CP and SP decreased by rupees 132, then now profit would be 3 by 8 of the SP. Then find the initial cost price of an article. ఒక దుకాణదారుడు ఒక వస్తువును 32.5% లాభానికి అమ్మాను. కొనుగోలు ధర మరియు అమ్మకపు ధర రెండూ కూడా ₹132 తగ్గితే లాభం అమ్మకపు ధరలో 3/8 వంతు అవుతుంది. అయినా ఆ వస్తువు అసలు కొన్న వెల ఎంత? ఎస్, 32.5% fraction value is, it can be split as 30% plus 2.5%. 30% is 3 by 10, 2.5% means 1 by 40. LCM is 40, 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13 units. But it is profit, so we make it plus symbol. Now consider CP to SP ratio. If CP is 40 units, there is a profit 13 units, so SP becomes 53 units. If CP is decreased by 132 rupees and SP also decreased by 132 rupees, then the profit would be 3 by 8 of the SP. 3 by 8 of SP. Profit is given on SP, so denominator must be SP. Then 3 units are profit. In this case, cost price is 5 units. Okay. Yes. Then CP is SP becomes 5 is to 8. So consider the ratio, negative negative gets cancelled. Yes. 48s are 320 and 55 53s are 265. So difference is 55 units. 55 units value is equal to, see, 8 132s minus 5 132s. Yes, which is equal 55 units value is equal to 8 minus 5, 3 into 132. 11 5s are 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 12. 5 units value is 12 3s are 36 rupees. Then we have to find initial cost price. Initial cost price of the article is 40 units. So 8 times of 5 is 40. So here we have 8 times of 5 is 40. So consider 8 times of 36. That is 8 6 of 48, 4 carry, 8 3 of 24 plus 4, 28 rupees. That is 288 rupees is the initial cost price of the article. Next question and last question of this class, 51. A bookseller sells a book at a profit of 16 whole 2 by 3%. What is the fraction value of 16 whole 2 by 3%? That is 1 by 6. As it is given, it is profit, so it is plus 1 by 6. If he had bought it 12.5% less and sold it for rupees 240 more, he would have gained 42.84%. The CP of the book is, yes. What is the fraction value of 12.5%? That is 1 by 8. But it is less, so we denote it as negative symbol. Similarly, 42.84% value is, since 14.28 is 1 by 7, so it is 3 by 7. But it is given as gained, so we use plus symbol. Yes. ఒక పుస్తకాల వ్యాపారి ఒక పుస్తకాన్ని 16.23% లాభానికి అమ్మాను. అతను దానిని 12.5% తక్కువకు కొని రూపాయలు 240 ఎక్కువ అమ్మి ఉంటే లాభం 42.84%గా ఉండేది. అయినా ఆ పుస్తకం యొక్క కొనుగోలు ధర ఎంత? మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. సీ దిస్. The percentage are very typical, so we convert them into standard fractions. So to make it our calculation easy, let CP of the book is equal to LCM of 6, 8, 7. 6, 8, 7. Yes, LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. And we have odd number 7. So LCM of 6, 8, 7 is 24 into 7. Now consider CP to SP. Now consider CP to SP. CP is 24 into 7. 24 into 7, that is 168 units. And there is a profit 1 by 6 units. That is, given profit is 16.02 by 3%. Its fraction value is 1 by 6. There is a profit that is 1 by 6 units of 24 into 7. 6 ones are 6 fours are 7 fours are 28 units are profit. So SP becomes 168 plus 28. 180, 196 units. SP becomes 196 units. Now, if he had bought 12.5% less, that is, if CP is 12.5% less, and the fraction value of 12.5 is 1 by 8, that is, CP is 24 into 7 units, that is 168 units. If we less it 1 by 8, which is equal to 8 ones are 8 threes are 3 sevens are 21 units are less. Now new CP will become 168 minus 21. 168 minus 21, that is 147 units. This is a new CP. And if and sold it for rupees 240 more. Yes, SP is increased by 240 rupees. Here SP is given in rupees. Okay. Then he would have gained 42.84%. So in this case, gain is equal to 42.84, which is equal to 3 by 7. And gain or loss always calculated on CP. 3 by 7 of 147. 7 ones are 721s are 321s are 63 units. So gain is 63 units. Now new SP becomes CP plus gain, that is 147 plus 63, that is equal to 210 units. Yes, now consider the difference between SPs 196 and 210, that is 14 units. Thus that is because of there is a 14 units increase in SP, that is because of its selling price is increased by 240 rupees. Yes, that is 14 units value is 240. Then we have to find the initial cost price of the book. Initial cost price of the book is 168 units. So 14 12s are 168. So here also multiplied by 12. These are rupees. 12 24s are 288 and 12 zeros are 20. So the cost price of the book is 168 units, which is equal to 2880. So answer is B. Okay.